Hello campers, we're going to continue with our review. So here you see pictures of different objects. So this is addition. It says 1 plus 5 and it shows you how the object itself, 1 and then 5, and then your responsibility is to find out the answer, which would be 6. And this is some of the skills that we covered to find out the missing the add-in as well as the answer. Like for right here, you have to find out what symbol will go here, and then you will write your answer. Okay, so these are some strategies for math with addition. Over here, if you could think about that one I did with the flower, this is a similar one, but it's with, it says subtract each outer number from the center number of each jellyfish or sea jelly. Write the answer on the outside ring. So here's the main one. It says 7 minus 4 equals 3. And then you will go on, you would say 7 minus 6 equals 1. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 7 minus 7 equals 0. So this is a strategy that you could use with the focus on one number and some numbers on the outside to see how you can determine the answer to your problem. Okay? So this is an activity that you can create as well with addition and subtraction. I'm going to now review again with you about the analog clock. All right, this one you see it has it has 2 o'clock on it. This one has 7 o'clock. This one says 3 o'clock. This one says 10 o'clock. Over here it says 4 o'clock. Right here is 12 o'clock. Here is 8 o'clock, and this one is 1 o'clock. And let's look at some telling time, AM or PM. So you see a little girl, she's waking up. When you wake up, boys and girls, you wake up, most of you, in the AM. So you would check AM. And then for number 2, it says he is enjoying a campfire. It looks like he is outside and it's bright outside. So that will tell you what time of day it is. So that will be considered the AM because it's kind of early in the morning. All right, and here you have a picture that's showing watching a movie after dinner, and most of us eat dinner in the PM, so you would check PM. Here you see a jogging in the park before breakfast, and breakfast is done usually in the morning, so the morning represents AM. Here it says morning recess at school, so you can see it says morning, that's the key word, so that is AM. Here it says talking, no, it says taking ballet lessons after school. And if it's after school, it would really be in the PM. Here you see someone eating pancakes for breakfast. That's the key word, breakfast. Breakfast is usually done in the morning in the AM. The last one says attending a slumber party. So most time when you go to someone's slumber party, you do that in the PM. So you would check off the PM. All right, so these are some more lessons that we have covered with the analog clock, as well as some lessons that we covered with the digital clock to match the correct analog clock. Here it says 12:25. This would represent this clock. Here is 3:40. For 3:40, it's this clock. 9:55. Here is 9:55. Here it says 7:10. This clock here says 7:10. Down here it says 6:35, and your clock up there says 6:35. All right, boys and girls, so that is the digital and analog clocks lesson that we covered. And our last portion, well, another portion before I say the last, that we're going to talk about our review on is the money. Here you see bills and coins. And you had to look up here to find which picture you could buy with the correct bills and coins that you have here. And for this one, it's the letter E. E would be this particular picture here that says $20.85. For number 2, it would be F. And right here, F says $16.51. And for number 3, you would buy the drum for $7.35. For number 4, you would buy the little doll for $2.49. And for number 5, you would buy D, the train set, which costs $33. All right, so that was our lesson in reference to counting coins and bills. So before I get off, I want to show you another little quick game that you can make with Kaboom. You put this says Kaboom time, elapsed time. And say, for example, this one says 12:05 minus to 12:35. You have to learn how to tell the elapsed time. So here, from 12:05 to 12:35 is 30 minutes. Okay? All right, let's just do one more. Here, this one says 2:05, and then the elapsed time is 4:15. So that would mean they use 2 hours and 10 minutes of elapsed time. All right, so this is something that you can create at home with popsicle sticks and play the game Kaboom. All right, and I have one more quick one to show you how to do addition with candy. So say you want to say 2 plus how many? You have to exceed. There's 2 on this side. How many are on this side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 7, boys and girls, equals 9. You could do this with any number of candy that you want. You could put 10, 20, 30, however many pieces of candy you want, just to do some addition. You could do 2-digit as well as 1-digit addition. You can also do subtraction. All right, boys and girls, I really hope that you have enjoyed all the wonderful lessons that we have covered. I really have enjoyed seeing your lovely faces every morning. I enjoyed listening to your comments and sharing the things that you have learned and showing with show and tell some of the things that I've asked you to share with me. And I enjoyed working with your parents and your loved ones who helped you as we were learning all about our math skills and with those games, Kahoots. I hope that you enjoyed our time because I did. I hope that you have a wonderful remaining of the summer. Continue working on your learning strategies that we have learned. And remember one thing, to believe in yourself. Have a wonderful summer. Bye-bye.